Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a 2025 recap using CapCut Mobile in one tap. So just go to CapCut Mobile and go to this section. It says AutoCut 2025 in one tap, share your story fast. There's also just an AutoCut section here. I'm just going to press on it and I'm going to choose some videos, and I'll be right back once I'm done. And it's going to compile the footage for me with some songs too. It says almost there, just finalizing your video. What makes you happy? Oh, okay. I guess you can choose from the rest too. There is a bunch of templates that you can use. Wow, chicken. Sorry, I just took a bunch of videos. Oh, that's a really good compilation. I like it. But you can select from these options if you'd like to. There's a bunch of it. That's just not... Okay. It's up to you which one you want to choose from. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You are able to export it without the watermark, but you need to share it on TikTok anyways. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great 2026. Have a great year. I don't know what I'm trying to say.